thankful when the rain comes. Raindrops window in my pain on the way down. I'll be thankful when the rain comes. I'll be thankful when the rain comes. I'll sing my praises all for the changes, cleansing my spirit on the way down. Washing my pain away. I know them clouds of gray gon' soon fade away. And I know that at times I can be impatient, asking the Lord all the wrong questions. I mean, like how and why, all just cause I feel like I've been running out of time. So I sit and meditate, and I hear the Spirit say that it's just making space for second chances. That's why we call them brighter days. I be thankful when the rain comes. Raindrops window in my pain on the way down.